Don't use your flash.
The flash is off.
What is that?
I don't know. Wait, what the heck? There's a light. I don't know what that thing is.
My gallery is almost filled with the twins.
Huh?
My gallery has like a lot, like some photos of the twins. Like those are my only photos, but not no more.
There was another light.
Where?
You see where this light's at?
Yeah.
There was another light on this
Wait,
side.
it's going darker.
Yeah, well, there was another light over here. They split, and then
Wait, look.
I know. No. It was just, you see this light with the little light? So there was one big one, and it split in half. And then that one was there, and then that one, and then it separated. And see, now it's like going away.
Those are all the drones.
What
Those
are-
are all drones.
How do you know?
Look, they're all blinking lights and everything.
Yeah.
Those are drones.
Which is your drone?
All those lights up there.
No, just
Yes.
because they're blinking doesn't mean they're
Those are drones. Like that one right there. That's a drone. The stars are like,
That one looks crazy, whatever that is up there.
yeah, it,
Correct.
oh, what is that? That looks crazy.